Hi friends, today we are going to make homemade guacamole. So we need chopped onion, chopped cilantro, 1 Roma tomato, 1 avocado, 2 green chili, 1 lime and 3 cloves of garlic. We also need 1 tablespoon olive oil. So now we are going to start here. So we are going to cut the avocado first. So here you can see we have cut the avocado. Take it out that avocado seed. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon olive oil. First we need to crush our garlic. So we are going to make paste of that garlic. It will give us nice flavor. Now we have to add avocado. So we are taking off with the help of the spoon. Now we have to mash it our avocado. So we will make little bit chunky avocado. So we won't make a paste, but we have to mash it. Now we need to add half lime, so it won't get black. Now we need to add chopped onion, green chili, tomato and cilantro. So we have to mix it well. Now we are adding little bit salt, so you can add as per your taste. Add half teaspoon cumin powder and now mix it well. Now guacamole looks great and it looks like very delicious, and this is a very authentic and homemade guacamole. Hope you will like it, and you can eat with your chips or burritos or tacos. You can also make it wraps with guacamole and tortillas.